As some of you asked, here's a strategy video featuring the Helacator Theta indicator with added trend filter. I won't go through all the intricate details of the Helacator Theta, and only will touch briefly on its main key points. If you'd like an in-depth tutorial, I'll link down our previous video on it, so you can check it out at your convenience. The Helacator AI Theta by Lad is an advanced TradingView indicator designed to identify potential market trend reversals. By integrating 3 white soldiers and 3 black crows candlestick patterns with moving average analysis, it generates trading signals. The indicator validates signals through trend confirmation techniques, ensuring alignment with broader market movements and reducing false positives. Its cooldown mechanism prevents overtrading by implementing a customizable period between signals, potentially minimizing market noise. As many other indicators available on TradingView, this indicator isn't perfect by any means, and getting extra confluence confirmation is recommended. The Helacator Theta works fine with basic support and resistance levels, but this could be said probably about any indicator out there, and after all, our channel is about TradingView indicators, right? The Helacator Theta is based partially on the moving average, but it's not displayed on the chart, which can be sometimes misleading, but if they're used in a broader market context, they actually can be very effective. So, to identify the main trend direction, we'll use a fully customizable EMA Ribbon. It's called EMA Ribbon for BO by John Mann 1. It doesn't require too much of an explanation. It's a set of 9 EMAs, by default set from 8 to 60 periods, but those are fully adjustable to your needs. As you can see it yourself, these two together look quite effective on a chart. But hey, please don't ask me about the best settings. These don't exist. They simply don't. And don't believe anyone if they tell you they know them. Best for the particular instrument within the certain time frame. Yes, that might be the case. Best overall for everyone, anytime, everywhere? No way. However, what I can suggest for sure is if you're going to be using default settings on this MA ribbon, you can try set the Helacator Theta sensitivity, periods, to 20 and 50 as you can see it on the screen. After doing some backtesting, I noticed they perform quite well on a BTC USD 1-hour chart, but don't take it for granted. Do your own backtesting first, and always. When it comes to the strategy rules, these are pretty obvious, but let me explain them anyway, so you won't throw bricks at me later. For longs, make sure that this highest period MA, which is set to 60 in this case, if you're using default settings, is colored in green, and all these tiny blue moving averages are placed above it. We enter either if we get a signal when all EMAs are aligned, or if we got the signal before the EMAs flipped bullish, we wait for the pullback and rejection of the ribbon and enter when the candle is closed above the ribbon. Same for short, just that the ribbon's main EMA is red, and all other EMAs are below it. You get the idea, right? We have recently introduced the complete QR Pro BST ecosystem. 1 workflow, 3 tools. Backtest your settings, scan for opportunities, and trade with confidence. Link in the description if you want to see how it works.